The approach that the Toronto Metropolitan University takes when it comes to entrepreneurship is a bilateral approach. We combine academic rigor with hands-on experience. So not only are our professors PhDs in entrepreneurship, they're also successful founders in their own right.
We really provide you with these future skills that all employers are looking for. Things like proactivity, that you're curious, that you're empathetic, and that you can spot opportunities to make the world a better place. All of these skills that we teach really prepare you for the uncertain future of work. We equip you with important skills like self-leadership, growth mindset, resiliency, and these are skills and attitudes that are really foundational for happiness and well-being.
I think we have a really strong focus in our department on experiential learning opportunities. We don't believe that entrepreneurship can be taught from a textbook and that you need to go out there and you need to build things.
In our program, we'll really give you the knowledge and the skill set to do the things that you want to do. And I think the thing that makes entrepreneurship attractive for a lot of people is that they have an idea, they're passionate about their ideas, and through our core courses, you're going to end up with a lot of experience pursuing ideas, having people critique your ideas, help you tear it down and build it back up again.
The entrepreneurial spirit here at Ted Rogers is about two things. The first is to be able to see the opportunities that actually exist in the world. But the other part is to do something about it, to take action to make that happen, to understand that it's possible to make that happen, that you can, as one person, change the world. If you envision how it could be, we're going to give you the skills, the tools, the support, the resources to go out and do it. But it's up to you to take that step. So we try to develop people who can see a future that doesn't yet exist and are willing to take the actions necessary to make it happen.
So there are lots of opportunities within the classroom and also outside of the classroom to not just develop the knowledge and skills, but also apply them in real-world situations.
Some of our entrepreneurship classes are also tailored to giving us more of real-life experiences than just the theory behind it. These classes are such great tools because they just give us confidence to create something new and inspiring to people.
So when we think about strategy, it's a plan of action to reach a goal. That goal is not the same as what you're doing today. It's obviously something different. Right? For that different, we are really trying to talk about innovation, and innovation is the hallmark of entrepreneurship.
The entrepreneurship program at TMU is one of the largest in the entire world. We've got 75 different courses on entrepreneurship, over 15 faculty, 10 on-campus incubators. We're far larger than almost any other entrepreneurship ecosystem in the world.
I think one of the reasons we're unique is we don't just look at the startup. We look at the individual. We're building leaders. We're building people who perhaps may never have a startup, but they're building skills that I think they might not get anywhere else. We really focus on the individual. When we work as faculty with industry to enhance the curriculum, we bring in speakers, we bring in case studies, but we also bring in amazing events like the one we're doing tonight, the Slate New Venture Competition.
These types of pitch competitions help move from ideas and theoretical concepts to actually moving forward and even creating a new venture.
Everything is changing so quickly. The nature of the resources, the nature of the customers, the nature of the competition, that even big companies need to become more entrepreneurial. And so the employees and managers and the senior leadership of even the largest corporations need the kind of entrepreneurial mindset that we're teaching here.